Hello, this is Issues of the Day. It is a business analysis course series, and this is use case modeling for business analysts. Thank you. Let us proceed. Hello, everybody. Introduction to use case modeling. Use case modeling is essential for business analysts, defining how users, actors interact with systems through use cases. It effectively captures functional requirements, enabling a clearer understanding of system functionalities. What is use case modeling? Use case modeling is a technique that visually represents the interactions between users, actors, and systems use cases. It serves as a foundational tool in understanding user requirements and system functionalities. Significance for business analysts. For business analysts, use case modeling is crucial as it clarifies requirements and ensures alignment between stakeholders, expectations, and system capabilities. It enhances communication and prevents scope creep during project development. Key players, actors, and systems. In a use case, actors represent users or external systems interacting with the target system. Understanding the roles of actors and systems ensures a comprehensive capture of functional requirements in the modeling process. Key components of a use case diagram. Understanding the key components of a use case diagram is essential for effectively capturing functional requirements. These essential these these elements provide a structured framework for modeling user system interactions, aiding business analysts in their processes. Actors represent the users or external systems that interact with the system being modeled. They are typically categorized as primary and secondary actors, where primary actors initiate the interaction while secondary actors provide support or services. Use cases are specific tasks or functionalities that actors engage with in the system. Each use case outlines a goal that an actor aims to achieve, such as placing an order or requesting support, ensuring clarity in understanding functional requirements. Associations. Associations illustrate the interactions between actors and use cases within the diagram. These connections define how actors engage with the system, showcasing user workflows and highlighting functional relationships critical for analysis. System boundaries. System boundaries separate actors from the system being analyzed. They help establish the scope of the system, clarifying which functionalities are part of the system and which are outside its control, aiding in requirement gathering. Creating a use case example scenario. In this section, we illustrate a practical example of creating a use case within an e-commerce platform, detailing the actors involved, their interactions, and the specific use cases designed to meet user needs. Example scenario, e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform serves as an excellent example for use case modeling. It involves various interactions between customers, support teams, and delivery services, illustrating how multiple actors engage with the system to fulfill functional requirements. The key actors in this e-commerce scenario include customer initiates orders and requests support. Support team assists customers with inquiries and issues. Delivery service manages order deliveries and tracking information. Use cases in the scenario. In, in this e-commerce platform, important use cases include the following. Place order. Customers can successfully purchase items. Track order. Users are able to see the status of their shipments. Request support. Customers can seek help from the support team for various issues. Put together the example diagram. The use case diagram for this e-commerce platform synthesizes all identified actors and use cases. It usually represents interactions among the customer support team and delivery service, along with their corresponding functions, providing clarity in requirements capture. Extending and including use cases. Extending and including use cases enhances the flexibility and comprehensiveness of use case modeling. These techniques allow use cases to share behaviors and manage variations efficiently within complex systems. What are extended use cases? Extended use cases define additional behaviors building upon a basic use case. They allow for optional features and can provide alternative flows under specific conditions, making systems more adaptable to varying user needs. Understanding included use cases. Included use cases capture share behaviors across different scenarios. They simplify base use cases by incorporating common functionalities, enhancing modularity, and promoting reusability within the system design. I repeat, included use cases capture shared behaviors across different scenarios. They simplify base use cases by incorporating common functionalities, enhancing modularity, and promoting reusability within the system design. Examples of extensions. In an e-commerce system, an extension might involve the apply discount use case triggered during the pay for order process. This conditional flow adds flexibility for promotional events and customer engagement. Examples of inclusions. An included use case could be validate payment, part of the pay for order scenario. By using this shared functionality, multiple use cases can benefit from consistent payment validation processes. Visualizing extended and included use cases. A diagram depicting extended use cases will illustrate how they interact within a use case model. Clear visual separation between core functionalities and optional behaviors aids comprehension. Best practices for use case diagrams. Effective use case diagrams align closely with users' needs and simplified representation, keeping them user focused and straightforward. Enhancing enhances clarity, ensuring all stakeholders grasp functional requirements effortlessly. Keeping it simple. Simplicity is key in use case diagrams. By avoiding unnecessary complexity, diagrams can convey essential interactions and functionalities, allowing stakeholders to easily understand user system interactions without technical jargon. User focused approach. A user focused approach is crucial for successful use case modeling. Identifying core user needs ensures that the use cases reflect actual functionalities required by the end users, fostering a better understanding of interactions. Clear definitions of actors and actions. Clear definitions of actors and their actions are imperative. By distinctly identifying each actor and their relevant use cases, the diagram maintains focus and precision, ensuring clarity in specifying what each actor can achieve. Using system boundaries. Establishing system boundaries in use case diagrams clarifies the interaction limits. By defining what is inside and outside the system, stakeholders can readily see the scope of functionalities, enhancing comprehension of interactions. Conclusion. The conclusion of this presentation encapsulates the significance of use case diagrams, highlighting their role in defining user interactions and functional requirements. Understanding these concepts is essential for business analysts to effectively communicate system functionalities. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with more on the business analysts educational series, prelude to launching my paid course. So we are getting there. We are nearing the end. So I'll be back with you to guide you. Thank you for listening. And I hope you've enjoyed